Greetings, welcome to the Musical Heatwave, the UK's premier reggae TV show right here on BEN. This week we focus on the Jamaican Song Festival competition, and of course it's been running since 1966. The first one being won by Toots and the Maytals. Bam Bam is the name of the song that won that coveted award. And of course this year is no exception. Some great songs in this year's song competition. We'll be playing you a couple of the videos that we're tipping for the top three. All right, not in any particular order, but some great songs nevertheless. We also focus on what's happening on the internet regarding the music of ours. Reggae music has been pirated left, right and center, so much so that it has affected a lot of the businesses here in the UK. In fact, not just the UK, but right around the world. Record shops closing down. Mandingo's got a very special report coming up right here on the Musical Heatwave.
Behind me is what used to be known as Jetstar Phonographics, which was at one time the largest reggae distributor in Britain and the largest reggae distributor in the world. But now, because of CD piracy and internet piracy, Jetstar Phonographics is no more. This is the case because I steadily observed over the past few years that the many shops that Jetstar used to supply records and CDs to in Britain and abroad closed down.
Okay, here comes the first of the festival songs. This is Amik and Nazzle Band with a song called One Heart, vying for the coveted $1 million in this year's Jamaica Festival Song Competition, now known as the Popular Song Competition. It's over to Nazzle Band and Amik. It's the Musical Heatwave soundtrack to your life.
One mind, we are all proud Jamaicans, so we should all come together as one. One family, shine a light for the whole world to see, that we can all change beginning with me. One heart, one mind, we are all proud Jamaicans, so we should all come together as one. One family, shine a light for the whole world to see, that we can all change beginning with me. Will our little girls and our little boys living in a decent time ever live in a peaceful island or in an island lost in crime? Questions in my mind, but the hard times cannot last. Their dreams have become reality, not shadows of the past. But we know this a island of we own. The difference is a side that a we own. Unity is strength, love will triumph in the end. One heart, Jamaica. One mind. We are all proud Jamaicans, so we should all come together as one. One family. Love we are shine a light for the whole world to see, that we can all change beginning with me. Hear me out. Jamaica land, it is a beauty and the people them a gem. We believe in ourselves and we can solve we problem. Y'all picking the youth man, we have to follow that plan. Never the crime, the badness and the madness in this land. Come together as one for a better island. Struggles of all for feathers should never go in vain. In the life of every nation, there is sunshine, there is rain. So make we do what we have to do. All of us can lend a hand to make our dreams come true and to build a better land. Because we know this a island of very good, but the difference is a side that a very good. Unity is strength, love will triumph in the end. One heart, one mind, we are all proud Jamaicans, come together as one. One family, Jamaica, shine a light for the whole world to see, that we can all change beginning with me. Unity is strength.
and Amik with the song One Heart. Stay tuned for the rest of the songs coming up between now and the end of the program. But now over to Mandingo, who's reporting about the problems regarding the internet piracy. The problem which has caused a lot of the record shops to close down. And anyway, here's a story.
Greetings, this is the big Rasta man, Maccabee. I will send them come, only the Father. Where him send them for get things in a order. Who him send for come, him send the Rasta. Musical Heat Wave, Jam Messengers and Warrior. Yeah man, a Maccabee and Musical Heat Wave, Ben TV.
Yes, I am Mandingo, and I'm at 81 Askew Road, West London, Pekin Studio One record shop. This shop was opened in the year 2000, the millennium year. But before, the first shop was opened in 1973 at 142 Askew Road. That's on the other side, going that way, going to the south. And Pekin Studio One record shop, which opened originally at 142 Askew Road, as I said, was opened by Sir Pekins, the father and founder of Pekin Studio One record shop. He was a man who was a very good friend of Clement Seymour Dodd, the greatest record producer, the owner of Studio One Records. Yes. Sir Pekins came to this country in 1960 from Jamaica, where he joined his wife. They both came to this country by ship. And when he came in 1960, he brought records from Clement Dodd, who had started to produce records. There was no Studio One record label yet at the time. Studio One record label started in late 1963, but Clement Dodd, who had started to produce records from in the 1950s, gave his friend Pekins a lot of records to carry, to sell to Jamaicans and other people who love Jamaican music in London and elsewhere. This was the period of ska music, which was before rocksteady and before reggae music. Pekins then is one of the founding fathers of the selling of Jamaican music in Britain. But after working for many years, that's from 1960 to 1973, that's 13 years, as I said, he's opened the record shop proper at 142 Askew Road. He passed on, but his son, Christopher Pekins, his youngest son, took up the mantle and continued with the business. And in 2000, Chris Pekins opened the shop at this venue, which is 81 Askew Road. Chris, you know, the recording industry, the music industry, has been dealt a savage blow by CD pirates and internet pirates. A lot of record shops that used to exist no longer exist because the customers who used to go to these shops no longer go to these